we're thinking we are on the air.
Hey meal preppers, Paul coming at you here. Amy behind the camera. Another episode of Let's Meal Prep. Guys, welcome out. We've got some amazing dishes this week. And we were just gonna go with cold soups because it's hot, but we modified that quite a bit.
Yeah.
No cold soups this week.
Cold front came in. It's only gonna get up to 93 this
Yeah,
week. So we had to roast some autumn veggies.
So the first dish was like a dish that I pretty much created from scratch. I believe I found a good blackened steak rub, and it's actually really great. It actually called for a tablespoon of cayenne pepper. I left that out. A tablespoon, so I left that out. So we've got steak here. This is blackened steak with a Parmesan cream sauce. It is made with Parmesan cheese, Greek yogurt, and some nutritional yeast, which gives it a good cheesy, oaky flavor, but also fortifies it with vitamin B, which is nice. Yep. Over a cauliflower risotto, which basically has coconut milk and some Monterey Jack cheese to give it a little flavor, and some salt. And then we had broccolini. These actually looked really good this week.
They did.
Broccolini is kind of expensive, but it is really tasty, and it looked really good. We actually bought, and the turnip greens looked really good, but no, they don't. Look at that. The turnip greens looked really good, but turnip greens are nice. Any kind of greens are good. Get a lot of minerals and vitamins in there. So
fiber too.
And fiber, but that's a great way to get a lot of your minerals too. That's a beautiful dish. I can't wait to eat that one. I may have to steal yours, babe, since there's only 3 on this one.
True dat.
All right, this is a Harvest Quinoa Salad, right?
Harvest Veggie Quinoa.
Harvest Veggies Quinoa Salad. It's got butternut squash, asparagus, some dried cranberries, red onions, and over quinoa with a dressing you made. I don't know what kind of dressing it was.
It's olive oil, apple cider vinegar, honey, and cinnamon.
Oh, nice. A little cinnamon in there?
Yep. And then
it's
goat
also
cheese.
Got pumpkin seeds in there too, and then some goat cheese.
Makes life worth living.
You'll get like a little bit of goodness in every bite with that goat cheese. Over here, guys, just an adult bento box. You can make this anything you want, but we started off with their chicken, and then just add your favorite sides. Treat it like a salad, just no lettuce. We got some cheese cubes, some cherry tomatoes, some mini peppers. These are nice and crunchy and sweet. English cucumber, and then just a little sweetness here, some pineapple. You can put anything there. You can put berries if you like, peaches, mangoes.
Grapes, apples.
Grapes? You said apples right now, I was going to say grapes. That's how much influence my wife has on me, guys. And then put your favorite dressing with it. I still like that white shallot dressing. Yep. It is just beyond amazing. A hummus is always great. Yeah. Get your favorite hummus with it. And then you don't even have to heat that up. So easy to take to work, easy to make, because while you're baking the chicken, you're just chopping and putting all this together for you.
I expected to work through lunch a couple days this week, so that was my idea, because it's easy to just sit at my desk and there's no mess. I can keep working while I'm eating.
Just kind of nibble on it while you're working. So great dishes, guys. Very colorful this week, especially this one. I always love colors. And let us know what you love this week. Let us know what you like for us to make. Always looking for those requests. We want to make sure that we make dishes that you love, that are simple and healthy. All right, team. Take care. Have a great weekend. Oh, and the beautiful flowers that Amy made today.